This video I will explain how to use USB flash drives and external hard drives. First we will see what is USB flash drive and what is external hard drive. A USB hard drive and external hard drive are small devices, and using that we can store and transfer files. Files can be photos, videos, music and documents. Both the USB flash drive and external hard drive are portable, easy to carry, and we can connect to the computer, laptop, smart TV using a USB port. Now we will see how to use a USB flash drive or external hard drive. You have to insert USB connector part of USB flash drive or external hard drive into the USB port of your computer or laptop. Then you have to wait for a few seconds. The device will be automatically detected, and you may see message like device connected or USB drive ready to use. To open the drive on Windows, open the File Explorer. In case of Mac, open the Finder. You will see the drive listed as USB drive or removable disk or name of the drive. You have to click to open it. To transfer files from your computer to the drive, what you have to do is select the files from your computer, copy those files and go to USB drive and paste it. To copy files from drive to your computer, open the USB drive, select the files, copy and paste into the folder on your computer. And you should not remove the drive directly. You have to safely eject it. Next, we will see how to safely removing your device. On Windows operating system, click on the USB icon on the bottom right corner, and you have to choose eject USB drive, and you have to wait for the message save to remove the hardware. Once you see the message, you can safely pull it out. In case of Mac operating system, right click on the drive icon on desktop or Finder, then click on eject. After that, you can safely pull it out. Now we will see tips for beginners. You should not remove the drive while copying the files. If you do that, it can damage the data. You have to always scan for viruses when using a USB from another computer. You have to keep a backup of important files in case the drive gets lost or damaged. Now we will see the difference between USB flash drive and external hard drive. Size of the USB flash drive is small, and size of external hard drive is bigger and heavier. Storage capacity of USB flash drive is 4 GB to 256 GB. Storage capacity of external hard drive is 500 GB to 5 terabyte or more. Speed of USB flash drive is moderate to fast. Speed of external hard drive is fast, especially SSD models. USB flash drive is best for small files, quick use. External hard drive is best for large files and full backups. When you choose between this storage option, you have to consider below points. First one is for portability and occasional file transfers, you have to use USB flash drive. And for storing large collections or complete backups, then you have to use external hard drive because it provides more space.